Introduction. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another English lesson. In today's lesson, we're going to learn about countable and uncountable nouns. This is one of the most important grammar topics because it helps you use English correctly when talking about food, drinks, objects, money, time, and many other everyday things. By the end of this lesson, you'll know the difference between countable and uncountable nouns, how to use them correctly, and which words go with each type. So, let's get started. Countable and uncountable nouns. Nouns in English are divided into two types. Countable nouns. Uncountable nouns. 1. Countable nouns. Countable nouns are things we can count. They have singular and plural forms. Examples: a book books, a car cars, an apple apples, a chair chairs. Sentences: I have 2 books. She bought 3 apples. There is a car outside. We need 5 chairs. 2. Uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns are things we cannot count individually. They usually do not have a plural form. Examples: water, milk, rice, sugar, money, information, furniture, advice. Sentences: I drink water every day. We need some sugar. She gave me useful advice. The furniture is new. Some and any. We often use some with positive sentences. Examples: I have some milk. She bought some rice. We often use any in negative sentences and questions. Examples: I don't have any water. Do you have any money? Much and many. Use many with countable nouns. Examples: many books, many students, many cars. Use much with uncountable nouns. Examples: much water, much sugar, much money, a few and a little. Use a few with countable nouns. Examples: a few apples, a few friends. Use a little with uncountable nouns. Examples: a little milk, a little coffee. Common mistakes. Cross-mark an information. White heavy checkmark some information. Cross-mark many water. White heavy checkmark much water. Cross-mark of furniture. White heavy checkmark some furniture. Quick comparison. Countable, uncountable. Book water. Apple milk. Chair sugar. Student rice. Car money. Memo lesson summary. Let's review what we learned today. Countable nouns can be counted and have singular and plural forms. Uncountable nouns cannot usually be counted individually. Use many and a few with countable nouns. Use much and a little with uncountable nouns. Use some in positive sentences and any in negative sentences and questions. Clapperboard conclusion. Excellent work. Now you know the difference between countable and uncountable nouns and how to use them correctly in everyday English. Keep practicing by making your own sentences, and you'll become more confident every day. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a new English lesson. See you in the next lesson. Glowing star.